Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. My name is Emmanuel Okafo, and in this video I'm inviting you guys to check out my course on Blender Markets. So if you're a hair groomer like myself, especially when creating all sorts of character, be it realistic or stylized characters, definitely having a skill in modeling your hair is quite important. So I'm presenting you with this course that will allow you to create braided hairstyle. So I'll be showing you different techniques to model the splines to generating the particles, and I'll providing you with the tools necessary to speed up your workflow. We'll also be looking at simulating this complex hairstyle, which can be quite tricky to do with the Blender particle simulator. So I'll be giving you my workflow on how to achieve that. What you'll be getting from this course is basically enough knowledge to tackle more complex hairstyle other than braided hairstyle. So you go check it out for yourself. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a nice watch. So thank you so much for your time. See you soon.